In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Remitly Transfer Pending. So in order to fix this, I have in here this article that should be able to help us. They have the same problem as R. You can see right here that they sent money, but the recipient hasn't received it, which means that the transfer is on hold, in progress, or pending. So in order to actually fix this problem, we can head over and check first the transfer status. So go over right here and go to your Remitly account, go to transfer history part, and you can see in progress, on hold, or pending from there. It will help you determine that they actually see that the handling is taking longer than expected. You can check recipient details and make sure that all recipients' information like names and bank account numbers are correct because incorrect details actually cause delays right here. Next, you can head over and then contact Remitly if you're not sure about the state of the transfer and if you want to expedite it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.